getting dark. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Oh my God, look at that. Uh-oh. It is really eclipse. Oh my God, is it close enough?
Almost.
Alright, it's dark. Did you see that, guys? Ay, nanonood sila. Naka-live ako. Nakot ko sa live. Nakot ko sa live. Oh, nandilim ng haling tapat to, ha. Oh, nag-ilaw yung aming ba? Oh, nag-ilaw. Nag-ilaw yung aking solar. Ayan na, wala na. Night. It's so dark. It's covered. Oh! Ayan na. Kita nyo? Total eclipse. Ang dilim. Nag-ilaw yung backyard ko kasi madilim. OMG. Ibababa ko para hindi siya kuhang-kuha, Oh my God. Nagdilim. Tahimik ang mundo. Oh. Dati yan, ha? Oh, dating tanghaling tapat. Tanghaling tapat ngayon is 1:41. But it's dark here. Ganon pala ang eclipse, Pero hindi naman siya nag-total eclipse. Now, can you take a video? Are you taking a video? Because this is live.
Yeah, take a video.
Eclipse. Total eclipse of the heart. Parang mata ng isda. Oo. Parang mata ng isda. Gumagalaw. Ganyan palang eclipse. Ngayon ko lang ito na-experience buong buhay ko. This is nighttime here. Look at that. It's 1:45 p.m. Ang dilim. Nag-ilaw yung nightlight ko dito sa backyard. Lana, ayan na, bumalik na. Bumalik na, lumiliwanag na. That was awesome. Woo-hoo. Oh, that was just like what, 5 minutes of darkness? We're back to reality. That's amazing, huh? That was an amazing experience. How is that? Isn't that a sign of something that there is possible, if anything in the world, to happen? Anything can happen, we never know. We never know. Back. Ay, nung zoom ko, wala. Nung zoom ko, ang pangit. Nag-blurry siya. Alright, we're done with that. We are done with that event. It was awesome experience. Ang sarap. Ang sarap, ang sarap, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Panuorin yung ganong nagsasara. Nagsasara yung yung araw. Parang mata ng alien. May marunggang alien. Contact lens na maitim, parang ganun. Maliwanag na, okay na host. Oo. Maliwanag na. Dumilim lang siya saglit. Not even what? Not even 3 minutes. Not even. Yahoo, Ate Eden, thanks for sharing this wonderful event. Yes, ayan na, balik na. Balik na sa mundong realidad. Maliwanag na uli. Wonderful experience. Ang